Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the correct permissions and locating the branch name precisely. Open your terminal or Git client and fetch recent refs so you work with current data. Once done, check out a safe branch like main or develop to avoid deleting a checked out branch. Make sure to note whether you need to remove a local branch, the remote branch on origin, or both, because the commands differ and the consequences are immediate. Now perform the deletions. For local removal, run git branch d branch name to safely delete or d to force when unmerged. You do this after switching branches. To remove the remote branch, push the deletion with git push origin delete branch name, which tells the server to drop the ref. After removal, run git fetch prune or git remote prune origin to remove stale references locally. Make sure to communicate with collaborators before deleting shared branch. Finish by verifying that the branch is gone. Run git branch for locals and git branch r for remotes. Check GitHub UI as a second confirmation. If the push fails due to protection rules, you will need to remove protection or request an admin to delete it, since protections prevent force or direct deletes. If you deleted something by mistake, use git reflog to find commits and recreate the branch. And make sure to act quickly before garbage collection runs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.